town center, run a gun point. He's got scissors, he's menacing me. Get the fuck away from her! Get away from her! Nathan, drop the fucking scissors! Carol, get up, get away from him. Don't even fucking do it. Don't do it. Drop the scissors. Nathan, drop the scissors.
No!
Drop the scissors.
No!
Nathan, drop the scissors.
No!
Drop the scissors.
No!
Nathan, drop the scissors. Nathan, what's going on, man?
She deserves this!
She does not deserve this. Nobody deserves to be held with scissors.
She deserves this!
Nathan, drop it, man.
No!
What's going on?
She fucking deserves this!
Nathan, why does she deserve this?
She deserves this!
No, she doesn't. You, just like you don't deserve to have a gun pointed at you. Listen,
She fucking deserves this!
Nathan, drop the scissors, man. Drop them! Don't do it! Don't do it!
I'm sorry, man!
Don't do it, man. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal. Get your taser out. Tase the fucker. Get up close. Drop the fucking thing. 4 out counts your shots.